wafanyakazi wako na akili nyingi. Guys, you are blessed. Please don't let us down. In the end field, ikuwe ni ya rugby, ikuwe ni ya masomo, you must promise me. Hata mtihani vile ilikuwa zamani, mwalimu lazima kadi nirudi hiyo. You guys be proud. As your servant, I'll continue serving you to the best of my ability. Kwa hivyo vijana, furahini kwa Bwana. I'll support this team again. Not once hiyo shule na zile shule zingine. Sasa we are the only county in the country, for information, who are of good standing in everything, and I'm proud of my county. Niko na furaha tu, and I'm happy. Silali. Now that these boys, they have brought this guy here, there is somebody else outside there with the envy who will say, oh, you know, that's a militia from Cardinal, ilienda East Africa, imeshinda. There are some people who have some brain ambayo imelitaa kidogo. They never say anything good. Today, if you walk in town here, you will feel you are in town. Very clean. That you can achieve in this life without sweat. We must sweat. And it's not easy. We must work hard. Mimi natakia kila raheli. Young boys, shikilia hapo. The coaches, congratulations. Masomo kwanza. Let us allow men who are here, let us allow those young girls, tafadhali wasome, tuhakikishe kwamba we have a community in the future.